For this project, we're going to draw a sunset. First thing you'll need is a pencil and a paper. In the middle of your paper, draw a wavy line. Draw 2 more wavy lines after that. That will be your water. After you draw your 3 wavy lines, draw a half circle for a sun and then lines radiating away from your sun. After that, you are ready to paint. When you paint, there are some things that you have to know. First thing, make sure that you swirl your paintbrush gently in the paint. The more you swirl, the more paint you're going to get on your paintbrush and the darker your paint will be. So that time I only swirled a little bit. This next time I'm going to swirl more, and my color is a lot darker. You decide how dark or light your paint is going to be. While painting, we want to make sure that we treat our materials nicely. So make sure when you paint not to jab the paint with the paintbrush. That'll make a hole in the paint. Also, don't make spiders with your paintbrush. See how all the bristles are going out all different directions? That'll ruin the brush. Treat them nicely, please. Paint your water, or the 3 wavy lines, in cool colors. Cool colors are blue, green, and purple. You can put them in whatever order you want. Make sure to wash your brush in between colors. When you're painting wet paint next to another color that's wet, you can leave a little bit of space of white between the colors. If you have a color of paint that's starting to run out, like my blue, just rub the part that has color on it until you get color on your brush. To keep my colors clean and bright, I rinsed my brush with cool colors on the one side of my dog bowl. When I rinsed my brush with warm colors for the top part of my picture, I used the other side of my dog bowl. When you do the top part of your picture, you're going to use warm colors, red, orange, yellow, and you can make a pattern on your rays and then pick a color for your sun. I decided when I painted my sun to mix a little bit of each color, but make sure you wash your brush in between colors. Once your picture is dry, we're going to use the ink daubers to trace your picture. When using the ink daubers, it is really important to follow these rules. Make sure you don't squeeze the ink dauber. Hold it straight up and down and gently and slowly drag it across your paper. I'm making some wavy lines to show you how it should be done. Those are the correct ways to do it. On this final line, I squeeze the bottle and look, I left a puddle on my paper. When I pick up my paper, it runs all down my paper. We don't want that to happen, so don't squeeze your ink dauber when using it. Make sure you hold it up straight and just gently glide it across the top of your paper. When you're finished, don't forget to sign your name.